What is going on, beautiful people? I am Chev B. If you're new to this channel, welcome to GWAN. Make sure you're subscribed down below. So we're about to do a sleek ponytail today, and the hair that we're using is from Betterlength.com, and this is their 3B, 3C kinky curly hair in 24 inches. And I love that it is a wrap around. It comes with a comb on the inside that will make the install feel super secure, and it also give that invisible ponytail look with the wraparound. Like, girl, this is 100% human hair, okay? And it is super full. So let's get into how I slick my hair down. So I'm gonna use some heat protectant. I did blow dry my hair the night before and put it in some cornrows. So I'm just gonna go in with another heat protecting serum, and I'm gonna use my Dyson just to go over it one more time because my hair was in the cornrow, and I need to lift my roots a little bit more. And I'm loving this Dyson because it has heat control so that it doesn't cause heat damage or anything like that. Now, once I am satisfied with how my hair is feeling, I'm going to go ahead and see how much hair growth I have and how low or high I could actually put the hair in a ponytail. So first I'm going to go in with this hot comb because I feel like my roots, I just need it to be a little bit more flat so that I can use less product. Honestly, I didn't want to use gel for this. Every time when I use gel to do a ponytail, even though it's no heat, it's all optional, but I feel like it takes so long to dry. I would feel the gel being still wet in my hair even 3 days later, and I wasn't in the mood for that. So I wanted a dry feeling. So I did a little hot comb situation, and I did it quick. I didn't do a lot. As you can see, like, my roots aren't, not my roots, my ends aren't even that straight. I just focused mostly on the roots just to make sure that the hair is flat. We just want it to be as flat as possible. Then I go in with some more serum and some hair oil for my scalp and all that good stuff. And so I'm just gonna leave a little bit of edges out. This is optional how you prefer your sleek ponytail. I like a little swoop on the side. So now I'm gonna put my hair in half just so I can have better control. And plus my hair is short, so I can't just do it all in one go. So I'm gonna use this ponytail spray, and then I'm gonna take my brush and brush in my flyaways. Then I go in with my Dyson just to dry that down. And when I say it will stay in place, sister, it will stay in place. I did hot Pilates with this look, and I got a little bit of wave because I mean it was hot Pilates, but if you're doing regular workout, the ponytail will stay in place. And yeah, just use a ponytail spray and you're good. You can even use the Got to Be glued spray. A lot of hairstylists use that, like any type of spray, like those type of ponytail spray, perfection, even with natural hair. But obviously to achieve that sleek look, you're gonna have to go in with some heat, sister. Like, it's just unavoidable unless you just prefer to use gel. And nothing wrong with the waves, honey. Nothing wrong with the natural coil, especially with this hair texture. Honestly, you don't even need to do a straightened look, but if you want that sleek look, this is the process. So I'm just gonna go in with some more spray and spray down the rest, brush it in, and then I go in with another ponytail. Now, if you don't want a headache or nothing like that, you do this as loose as you want. I took out the previous ponytail and then put this all in one because I could not do with two ponytails, honey. Like, no ma'am, I am not here for the headache. Now I'm going to use the Got to Be glued gel, and that is what I use for my edges. Like, my edges don't move with this gel, okay? It stays in place. So I just do my little swoop to the doop, and yeah, that is it for the front. Now I'm just going to go in with a little bit more of the spray, and either you can use a tail comb or you can use your edge brush and then go in with the blow dryer again to slick them flyaways down. I might have did a little bit too much in the front. You see that little white thing going on, white situation? Don't worry though, because I used some oil sheen later on and it was gone. It was gone. So I'm just going to tie down my hair for a bit so it could dry down. Now, sister, I was thinking, you know what? Maybe I should sew this ponytail down, right? But because the ponytail is so thick, I couldn't get around it. Now, if you have someone around, let them do it for you. I didn't have anybody at home right now to do it. I was trying to get like to sew it down onto my little hair tie, it wasn't working because I couldn't see to sew it down. So I just left it, and I'm like, you know what, let's just use the construct of the ponytail itself to do, because it's Velcro. I think that's how you pronounce that. So it's sticky, you know, it's supposed to stick around right there. And so I'm just gonna comb out and flat iron the curly wraparound piece, because I don't know, I didn't want it to be curly. I wanted it to be straight, especially since I already straightened my hair. But if your hair is curly, you could leave it curly. So I'm just gonna wrap it around after I did all my attachments and all that good stuff. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray some of my hairspray onto the wraparound, and also I put some bobby pins in it because I love extra security. The ponytail stayed. Okay, I tested it. Like I said, I went to do hot Pilates. I put it in a little bun when I was doing my workouts, and that thing stayed. Okay, it stayed. So we did the ultimate test with this, but I did put at least 3 bobby pins in there just for the extra peace of mind. And then now I'm gonna go in with some water to spray it down just to loosen the curls, and also we're about to define the curl. The hair is so thick, like, girl, it's so juicy, it's thick. Like I said, 100% human hair, honey. Okay, it is such a beautiful curl pattern. Now I'm gonna go in with this Cake Beauty mousse, and this mousse will give the curls the super definition. Okay, frizz wear. The hair will not frizz with this mousse. Love, love, love it. And it smells so good. It smells delicious. I just go in with my white teeth comb and just comb that out. Make sure my curls are defined. Make sure I don't have any tangling. And yeah, that is it for the styling, because it's super easy. And also because this hair is human hair, if you wanted to, you could blow dry the hair and do GWAN curls, because, oh my God, it's going to look thick. It's going to look luscious. It's going to be beautiful. So I'm just gonna go ahead, finish defining the curls, and baby, do you see that pony? Look at my pony. Gorgeous. Absolutely in love with this. Let me know what you guys think about this look. All the details for the ponytail will be in the description box down below. Like I said, this is from Betterlength.com. It is 24 inches, a 3B, 3C, kinky, curly, 100% human hair wrap around ponytail. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all in the next video. GWAN, big up on yourself. Bye guys.